Welcome to the Google Cloud Skill Boost of the second lab of this particular machine learning APIs on Google Cloud Lab. In this particular lab, we'll see how we can extract, analyze, and translate text from the images with the Cloud ML APIs. We'll give a kind of image to this particular ML API. Then we'll translate from that particular image. The text will translate text from that particular image. Let's see how we can get that particular thing. First of all, you have to know the overview of that particular lab. In this particular lab, we are going to explore the machine learning power and we'll use multiple machine learning APIs together, like we'll use Cloud Vision APIs and for the text detection. Actually, we use Cloud Vision API for the text detection method and we'll use OCR for the extract text from the images. First, we'll use Cloud Vision API for the text detection. If there will be any sort of text on that particular image, we'll extract that from by using Cloud Vision API. Then we will use optical character recognition for extract text from the images. First detect, then extract. We'll see how we can do these particular things by using the APIs, and we'll see the entities analysis and sentiment analysis by using natural language API. It is, you know, we have done so many times in our previous lab. So it is just a common things. We have to just focus on Cloud Vision API and OCR. Use the objective, create Vision API and OCR and translation API to translate text. Setup is as usual. We always do these particular things so many times. We have already done these so many times actually. Just click on the Start Lab. It will provide your project ID, username, and password, and you are good to go for this particular lab. You have to go to the Cloud Shell. I'm not going to show the screenshot of the things that I completed. You guys know because this is the thing that we are doing since my first video. So I'm not going to show you uh, the screenshot that I completed. So you can just follow the steps, then you can guys easily work upon it and you can guys see the things, see the results. If you have any query, then you can comment on YouTube, then I'll try to reply your answer. You have to click on active shell, then you have to just press this particular this particular command, project ID where you will get when you will click on start button. Then you have to authorize your Google Cloud. Then you have to list your project with your project ID. Then you have to create an API. It is very much obvious. I have done so many times that how you can create an API. You have to go navigation API. You just follow the steps, then you can easily create it out. Then you have to export your API on the Cloud Shell. Then it will give you a kind of, you can just create a kind of bucket on the Google Cloud Shell. Simply, again, I'm saying, and I am telling you that how you can create a bucket. You have to go to the navigation bar. You have to go to the Cloud Shell. Then you will see the bucket. Then you can just create bucket. Okay. Here is the step. You can just follow this so that you can just create an account, create a bucket, and you can just fill out your bucket name, XYZ bucket name, and your cloud ID. With the quick step ID, you can use that particular bucket name as well. Then you have to go to the choose how to control access. This will be there. You can just see once you scroll, then you have to unbox. Make sure to unbox this. When I was doing these particular tasks, this particular lab, unfortunately, I didn't uncheck this. Then the whole project I started again. I started doing again just because I didn't uncheck this particular box. Make sure to uncheck this, then you can fine grain, then you can just create. Then you have to upload the bucket. You have to save this image with save image with this particular name. Then you have to just see this is the image. This image, like, I think, okay, leave it. Okay, I'm just saying this image is the language of French. This is the French language. So how will give this particular image to the Cloud Shell? Then we'll use the API. We are using two APIs uh, for the text detection and text extraction. Okay. For the text detection, we are using this API, Cloud Vision, and for the text extraction, we are using OCR. Okay, and just will save this image. Then you have to go to this particular dot button over here. You can just go here, and you can just go to the edit axis. You have to add some entries over here. Just you can follow the step. Once you complete this, you have to just save, and you are good to go. And then you have to Cloud Vision for the text extraction. You have to go to the terminal. You have to just click on Open Editor. It will open editor like a VS Code. Then you have to create a JSON file over here. It is just same a VS Code. Then you have to paste this command. Make sure the bucket name that name your bucket uh, in the previous lab process. The bucket name that you have added over here, you have to just write your bucket name here, then your sign.jpg file. Then you have to just call this particular command on the terminal, Cloud Shell. Then it will respond this particular thing. You are not going to understand these because it just extract the text by using Cloud Vision API. It extract the text, okay, from that particular image. You are not understanding because it is in French. By using the Cloud Vision API, it extracts the text. It detects the text. Now we are extracting the text by using OCR. You are not understanding because it is a long JSON file. It recently generated. Then you have to go to the open terminal again. You have to create a file again. Then you have to paste this on the Cloud Shell. Then now we are extracting we are using the translation API, which is OCR. You have to paste this command. You have to just first uh, create a file, translation request, and you have to paste this JSON into this file, then save. Then you will run this command. Why? For the extracting the image text from the image that we have added to the cloud shell. Like, now we have added to the compute engine again. No, cloud storage. Yes, sorry. Uh, we have this done this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you have to just run this particular command, and we are using the OCR API for the extraction of the text from the image. You have to create a file, you have to paste this command, then you have to run the Cloud Shell command, which is curl. Then you have to just get translation response.json on the Cloud Shell. Then you will see that to the public code, the dispatches for Obama that mustard is from Dijon. I hope you guys are understanding what is the machine learning APIs and extraction process by using multiple APIs. First, we have detect the text by using the Cloud Vision API. Then we have extract the text by using the OCR API. The Cloud Vision is detects the text from the image. You were not understanding because it was in French. Then when we use OCR API, it extract in English. Then you guys, I hope you guys understood. To the public god, it is a Obama is a public god that dispatches for Obama that mustard from Dijon. This is a sentence that you can guys easily understand and get a sentence of it. We have detects and extract the text from the image by using the API. Analyzing the image text with natural language API. From that particular image, we are going to find out the entities. Okay, find out the sentiment analysis. Like we are going to use the entities like places, name, a bit, I steps, or the bit data of that particular image. Simply, we have done it so many times in our previous video. I'm going to just, you have to just create a file, paste this command. You can just blend text to HTML, whatever you want. Then you can just paste this command for the natural language API request. Then you have to just curl command you have to paste on Cloud Shell. Then you will respond with the different entities like dispatch will be separate and mustard will be separate. Different entities will be separate by using Cloud Natural API. It is just a simple thing that we have done so many times. Yeah, and I guess that's it of the power of machine learning APIs on Google Cloud, which is the text extraction, text detection, and from the image actually, and translation of text using the ML APIs and Google Cloud and natural language API as well. So these are the things that we use with different APIs and the combination of different APIs, how we can detect, extract, and how we can get the entities and sentiment analysis by using the different APIs. So I hope guys you have learned a lot from this particular video. Thank you so much. I will meet with the next video. Take care.